Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Free Gardening Channel. And I just thought I'd show you guys just how many monarch butterfly trees I've planted in this year. So let's do a count up. Yeah, I think it's quite a lot. So I'm gonna go out the front of the property. We're gonna start the count from out the front. All right, let's go. Here we are. Here we go. Here it is. Number one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoa, just 15. Now just on the front verge here. Just on the street verge. We haven't even actually gone into the front property yet. All right. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 73. Whoa, 73 just out here in the front. Oh wait, there's more. Of course, there's always more. 74, 75, 76, 76 out the front, just there. Then we move into the drive. 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. There's a nice big one, guys. 82, tiny baby in there. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Although that one looks like it's dying. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Whoa, look at that one. 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. I know there's one in there somewhere. Oh, there. 103, 104, 105, 106, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 116, 17. Obviously those big guys don't really count, but yeah. 18, 19, 20, 121, 122, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. 27, 128, 9, 130, 131, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 140, 141, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 170. 1, 2. There is 2 in there, but I can't find them. So that was 171. 2, 3, 74, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 180. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 188, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Oh yeah, my favorite one. 200. 201, 202. And they all come out of this swimming pool. 203, 204. 205, 206, 207, 8, 9, 210, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 220. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're getting close to the end now, guys. I just forgot where I'm up to. 207, 210, or 220? I think it's 207. 208. 228. 9. 230. 1, 2, 3. 233 plus our 5 we just put in over here. So that's 237. Whoa. Is that like too much or what? 233. Yeah, I don't know. Plus these 5 here anyway. So we're looking at around 240. That is just crazy. And we still have another 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We still have about another 25 more here. So that's going to be 170. 270 monarch butterfly tree seeds just being planted in this year. Plus, we already have 4 adult ones. So guys, I have successfully planted in 280 monarch butterfly trees, and here is an adult one, what they're all gonna look like. And if y'all just want to come over here and see that we have 3 more here. These ones have been stripped. The monarch caterpillars have eaten the leaves, so they're happy. They will strip them down to 0 leaves. They can eat every single leaf, and that's how you know that they're happy and that they're going to thrive. And there's my other adult one right there. Okay, there's my other adult one. So as you can see, we're going to have around 280 of these trees all over the property, bringing joy and happiness to all the monarch butterflies that are endangered and are declining in population all over the globe. So if you can get your hands on a swan plant, please plant it in and do your bit to save the dying monarch butterfly. Thank you for watching Free Gardening, and remember, Darcy W.B. Calloway is with you all the time for your gardening needs. If you would like to learn how to garden from absolutely 0 experience, simply drop a message in the comment section below and I will help you to become a free gardener. Thank you.